So this morning we're going to be having a mass meditation in store for about 500 people, getting them all to pause for 10 minutes. And then throughout the store you'll see these headspace pods. And the idea of that really is to show people that there are lots of different ways of kind of using silence in life. It's not just about escaping life, it's about kind of tapping into focus, into creativity, maybe improving your relationships. There's lots of different ways of kind of, I guess, incorporating headspace into your life.
No Noise was inspired by Harry Gordon's Selfridge. Originally, when the store opened, he had a silence room. And I wanted to bring that back, but really in a contemporary way. So No Noise is about ridding ourselves of all the distractions of modern life, be they electronic or in terms of information and communication. We invited brands that we felt were iconic to remove their logos from their products, because really these brands need no introduction, and just the shape of the bottle and the product inside is all people really need to know about Heinz or Crème de la Mer or Levi's.
It shows also that, you know, with the debranding and everything, with the no noise, it shows that it's not all about brands, it's also about the shopping experience, to be more relaxed and you enjoy yourself.
Only 557 bottles and 557 cans of Heinz beans and Heinz ketchup's been made, so it's a very bespoke, exclusive product on offer, and Selfridges has been really good to get the product here and everything. Yeah, it's amazing. I think there's some really exciting stuff here, and we're delighted to be a part of it.
Well, we were really inspired by No Noise because it fits with idleness, obviously. And for 20 years we've been trying to find ways of taking oneself out of the hustle and bustle so you can come and be inspired and relax. This concept space that it's like it's like a still point in a turning world, this whole no noise theme that Alana's thought up.
Enjoy it. Really do nothing at all, okay? Finally, just so I know, how many of you have done some meditation before? Again, don't be surprised if the mind wanders off as soon as you realise it's wandered. camera's quite interesting. We weren't using it today to hide the piece of purpose, but it shoots really slow frame rates. Wow.
Now I just wanted to show you the silent room, which has been designed by Alex Cochrane Architects, and I think you'll find it's the perfect place to take a break from shopping, to have a moment of peace and calm, and I hope you like it.
And again, just head down.